Is it time to buy or sell Pagaya Technologies stock? In this video, we will delve into Pagaya Technologies. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has categorized Pagaya Technologies as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.29. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who heeded our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 120.76% since we initially recommended Pagaya Technologies as a buy candidate 63 days ago. This results in an average return of 1.92% per day since its classification as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 113.72% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging between 99.83% and 159.27%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a change of 55.56%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate from negative 35.70% to positive 73.65% over the coming year. This would place the future price somewhere between $19.69 and $53.17. Our latest daily update for Pagaya Technologies includes the headline, High Volatility in Pagaya Technologies Ltd stock price on Thursday, which ended trading at $30.62. The Pagaya Technologies Ltd stock price fell by 2.36% on the last day, Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, from $31.36 to $30.62. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 38.61%, with a day low at $29.93 and a day high of $41.48. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 4.91% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, but this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 9 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $276,220,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $41.48, while the lowest price was $8.20. Currently, the price is 26.18%, or $10.86, below the 52-week high, and 92.60%, or $383.38, below the all-time high on the 2nd of August, 2022, when the price reached $414. Pagaya Technologies Ltd reported robust second-quarter results for the year 2025, showcasing a revenue of $326 million, exceeding analyst expectations of $316,950,000. However, despite this positive revenue figure, the company's earnings per share, or EPS, of 64 cents fell short of estimates, which predicted 69 cents. This mixed bag of results could create volatility in the short term, with investors weighing the strong revenue against the earnings miss. Pagaya's EPS saw a remarkable surge of 540% year over year, signaling significant operational improvement and market capture through its AI-driven financial technology solutions. The company's third-quarter outlook remains promising, expecting network volume to range between $2.75 billion and $2.95 billion, indicating continued growth momentum. From a long-term perspective, Pagaya's focus on AI infrastructure in the financial sector positions it well amid increasing competition. Analysts note that while the company is stabilizing growth, the profitability and competitive pressures warrant a cautious approach. The current valuation at 2.17 times enterprise value over forward revenue appears reasonable, allowing room for potential growth, but requires careful monitoring of market dynamics. Overall, the combination of strong revenue performance and future growth prospects can bolster investor sentiment, potentially leading to a more favorable stock trajectory in the coming months, while the earnings miss could introduce some short-term uncertainty. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 11th of June, 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned PGY an overweight rating with an initiate action. On Tuesday, the 25th of March, 2025, it was disclosed that Citigroup rated PGY as outperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush gave PGY a buy rating alongside a hold action. On the same day, the 16th of October, 2024, Oppenheimer assigned PGY a underperform rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Oppenheimer again rated PGY as outperform with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned Pagaya Technologies stock a general strong sell rating. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also recommend a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Pagaya Technologies. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 23, 2025, and so far it has fallen by approximately 8.98%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, often referred to as MACD. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of Pagaya Technologies Ltd currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average, since the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. There is a general buy signal for the stock, providing a positive outlook. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $30.86. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at around $25.90. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 12 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 32 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 75 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 74 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates buy signal from 63 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pagaya Technologies. Pagaya Technologies Ltd finds support from accumulated volume at $29.94. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated $11.56 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 38.61%. In the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 14.01%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Pagaya Technologies, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, persistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, The upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 7th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 69 cents. Pay attention to these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pagaya Technologies. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pagaya Technologies is at $31.12. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Pagaya Technologies encounters its first support level at $29.94. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Pagaya Technologies from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's review some recent insider trades. On the 18th of July, 2025, Pedrazo Dan conducted an insider sale of 8,484 shares of Class A ordinary share. On the 16th of July, 2025, Das Sanjeev conducted an insider purchase of 22,916 shares of Class A ordinary share. On the 17th of July, 2025, Das Sanjeev conducted an insider sale of 12,742 shares of Class A ordinary share. On the 16th of July, 2025, Das Sanjeev conducted an insider sale of 22,916 shares of restricted stock unit. On the 1st of July, 2025, Das Sanjeev conducted an insider purchase of 8,538 shares of Class A ordinary share. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 60.719. Overall, insiders purchased 1,031,279 shares and sold 4,022,692 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $29.19, reflecting a decline of 4.66%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a high level of risk. Currently, there is a sell signal based on a pivot top that was identified 11 days ago. Is Pagaya Technologies stock a good buy? Several of the signals and indicators are negative, and we believe this will impact its development over the coming days and potentially weeks. However, we think that the current level presents a possible buying opportunity, and that the price may increase during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 8th of August, we expect Pagaya Technologies to open higher by $3.39, starting at $34.01. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.